Most people think self-improvement is complicated, but what if it was effortless? Just 3 simple changes can transform your life. No fancy routines, no overwhelming plans. Let's break it down. The 5-minute rule. Whenever you feel stuck, tell yourself, just do it for 5 minutes. That's it. Once you start, momentum takes over. This works for workouts, studying, or even that one task you've been avoiding. The 1-page rule. Read just 1 page of a good book every day. Sounds too easy, right? But over time, those pages turn into chapters, then books, then knowledge that changes the way you think. The reflection rule. Before bed, ask yourself, what's one thing I did well today? And what's one thing I can improve? Small daily improvements lead to massive transformations. That's it. Just 5 minutes of action, 1 page of learning, and a moment of reflection. Try this for 30 days and watch your life change. Let's grow together.